Now fourth example, children. The circumference of a circle is 62.80 centimeter. Taking pi is equal to 3.14, find its diameter. Now children, in this example, circumference is given and value of pi is also given. So we will take here 3.14 as the value of pi. So first we will write the given part. Circumference is equal to 62.80 centimeter. Now we know the formula or the relation between circumference and diameter. It is C is equal to pi d. Now put the value of circumference, put the value of pi and write d as it is, as we have to find the value of d in this example. Now 62.80 is equal to 3.14 multiplied by d. As you have to find the value of d, we will shift 3.14 on the other side of the equation. So you will get it as 62.80 divided by 3.14 is equal to d. Now if you will look at the example, first we will remove the decimal point from both numerator and denominator, as there are two decimal places in the numerator as well as two decimal places in the denominator. Here both the decimal places will be removed from both the numbers. So you will get 6280 divided by 314. Now from here you will see 628 is double of 314. So here you will get 2 and this 0 you will get 20. Hence the diameter of the circle is 20 centimeter. Now next example. The radius of a circular plot is 7.7 meters. How much will it cost to fence the plot with 3 rounds of wire at the rate of 50 rupees per meter? Now children, here what is given? Radius of a circular plot is given. It is 7.7 meters. You have to find the cost to fence the plot with 3 rounds of wire at the rate of 50 rupees per meter. So first we have to find the circumference, because as the fencing is to be done on the boundary of the plot, we have to find the length of the boundary. Length of the boundary, it means we have to find the circumference of the circular plot. Now here, as the fencing is done with 3 rounds of wire, so when we find the circumference, we are getting the length of wire for 1 round. Now as we have to find it for 3 rounds, we will multiply the circumference by 3. We will get the cost of 3 rounds of fencing. So children, first of all you have to plan the steps in your mind and then you will start solving the example. So first, what is given? Radius of the circular plot is given. So that we will write the given part. Now as the radius is given, we will use the formula circumference of a circular plot is equal to 2 pi r. Now here radius is given, so we will put the value of radius. As value of pi is not given, we will take it as 22 upon 7 and now do the cancellation. Here 7 ones are and 7 1.1s are. Now multiply 2 with 22 with 1.1, you will get 48.4 meters. Hence, this is the circumference of the circular plot. This is the length of wire required for 1 round of fencing. So we will write here length of wire required for 1 round of fencing is 48.4 meters. Now as this is the wire required for 1 round, we will first find the cost of 1 round of fence, that is length of the wire required for 1 round multiplied by cost per meter. So as you multiply, cost of 1 meter of wire is 50 rupees. So we will multiply the wire required in 1 round with the cost of 1 meter. You will get the cost of wire for 1 round of fence. It is 2420 rupees. Now as you have to find the cost of 3 rounds of fencing, we will multiply the cost of 1 round of fencing with 3. You will get 7260 rupees. That is 3 multiplied by 2420 is equal to 7260 rupees. Now next example children. Here in this example, there is a small correction. Now, if you look at the example, here radius is given. The radius of the wheel of a bus is 0.7 meter. So, in place of radius, you have to write their diameter, because the given part is the diameter as according to the solution. So, here you have to write the diameter in place of radius. Now, let us go through the example. The diameter of the wheel of a bus is 0.7 meter. How many rotations will a wheel complete while traveling a distance of 22 km? Now, the example is very simple and clear to you, that the diameter of a wheel of a bus is given. Now, if you consider this as the wheel, then the diameter of the wheel of a bus is given. You have to find the number of rotations the wheel will make while traveling distance of 22 km. Now, in one round or in one rotation, distance covered is the circumference. So, if you divide the total distance by the distance covered in one round, you will get the number of rotations. So, for that, first we have to find the circumference of a circle. So, what formula we will use here? Circumference of a circle equal to pi d. Now, as this is the diameter, we will put the value 0.7 in place of diameter. Pi is 22 upon 7, and here we will do the cancellation. Here 7 ones are and 7 0.1s are. So, now 0.1 multiplied by 22 is 2.2 meter. Now, this is the circumference. Circumference of the wheel, it means distance covered in one round or distance covered in one rotation of the wheel. So, when the wheel completes one rotation, it crosses the distance of 2.2 meter. That is, one rotation is equal to one circumference. So, as we have to find the total number of rotations, we will divide the total distance by the circumference or the distance covered in one rotation. That is 22 km. Now, here if you look here, the total distance is given in kilometer, whereas we got the the circumference in meters. So, both the units should be same. For that, we will convert 22 km into meters, that is 22,000 meters. So, now 22,000 divided by 2.2. Now, remove the decimal point and put 10 in the numerator. You will get 2,20,000 divided by 22. That is 10,000. So, how many rotations does the wheel will make? The wheel makes 10,000 rotations to cover the distance of 22 km. Children, here we have completed all the solved examples. You all have to complete your copies till here.